Today I'm going to be preparing for you some delicious recipes using Stonefire hand-stretched baked bread, using simple ingredients, making delicious dishes. And today I wanted to show you how to make it in a wrap. And we're going to make some chicken souvlaki, and I'm also going to make some tzatziki sauce so we can throw that right in there in the wrap and enjoy a delicious sandwich. And I want to show you how to use the Stonefire dippers by teaching you how to make a delicious spicy feta dip. We're going to pair it with some hummus and some other dips so you can see how to enjoy this delicious bread. Let's get started. So for the chicken kebabs, what you want to do is get some raw chicken breasts and cut them into strips and then cut them into 1-inch cubes. To make the marinade, you want to zest up a lemon, add some oregano, add some salt and pepper, olive oil, toss it up, and put about 6 cubes on each skewer. Let it sit for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna put it on the grill. Okay, so I've got the chicken on the stovetop. I'm using a grill pan just because I like those nice warm brown grill marks on my chicken. But if you didn't have a grill pan, you can totally use your broiler. So this is the bread that we're going to be using today, and you can typically find this bread in the deli aisle, and it comes in various different flavors, and you can also find it in the special little dippers. Now let me show you how to make some tzatziki sauce. I like to use a little bit of sour cream in mine because I like giving this chicken souvlaki to my kids, and sometimes the yogurt dressing can be a little bit too tangy. So I like to take a cup of Greek yogurt and I like to hit it with about 1/4 cup to sour cream. And then I'm going to take some cut up Persian cucumbers, lemon juice, olive oil, dill, parsley, and salt and pepper. So to add a bit of freshness to the chicken souvlaki wrap, I made a cucumber tomato relish, and I'm using Persian cucumbers and cherry grape tomatoes with some parsley, red onion, and then I've also made a nice little dressing over here with red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, olive oil, and a little bit of garlic. And I'm going to add that right to the bowl. We want to make sure that we warm this bread up in the oven, or you can also use the microwave. There's directions in the back. I'm going to put mine in the oven today to make it nice and warm. Okay, so now that I've taken the naan bread out of the oven, I'm going to start assembling it, and I'm going to take 2 of the chicken skewers, and I'm going to also dress it with some of that tomato cucumber salad relish, and then I'm going to drizzle it with some tzatziki sauce. So these are the Stonefire dippers, and these are extremely versatile. You can use it as a snack, as an appetizer, as a dessert. Today I'm going to show you how to use them as dips. Okay, so to begin the spicy feta dip, it's really easy. In the blender, we're going to add some creamy feta, a whole block of it. Then you're going to also add 1 red bell pepper, which is fire roasted. And then for that heat, we're going to throw in some red pepper flakes. And then finally, we're going to put in some Greek yogurt and blend it right up. All right, take a look at that. Delicious, yummy, spicy feta dip. Super easy, super quick. Perfect pairing for these dippers. And by the way, this dip can also be warmed up in an oven. I used to love ordering this in a restaurant, and ever since I learned how to make it, I make it all the time at home, and it's so delicious. You could put this on top of anything. There's 2 ways that you could prepare it. You can freeze them so you can have them over a long time period, or you can just refrigerate them. Be sure to go to stonefire.com and check out for some more recipes, or visit your local supermarket.